Connor, in response to your question, when you're creating floor boundaries and you're having a hard time seeing if it's closed or not knowing where the boundary is closed, I'm creating the generic 12-inch floor here, and I'm using the Pick Walls tool to create it. I'm just going to go around and pick some walls, and then I'm going to show you maybe where you're having the difficulty. I'm not positive. And these might not be the walls we're supposed to pick. I'm sorry, I'm just doing it quickly so I can show you. I'm going to switch to pick lines, and then I'm going to pick the line of the walkway. Remember, I also create videos for these, so that will help you. But now if I try to finish it, what's going to come up, it says the lines must be closed loops and the highlighted lines are open at one end. So it's showing you in the sketch that right here this is open, there's 2 orange dots, and then also right here I have 2 orange dots indicating that the loop is open. So I hit continue, and then I can just extend these to meet each other. Same thing over here, or actually I might have to draw a line for this one. But now the loop should be closed. I'm going to zoom out and hit the green check mark again, and then it is closed, and I can proceed on with the drawing. So you can see that there's little orange dots that show up to show you where the loop is open and closed. I hope that helps you in the future.